Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at Minicake. Right now listed on CoinGecko a couple of hours ago. Just 160% gain in profits right now. And I think it is already more. We will look later on it on a live chart. Let's have a look first on the website. Minicake website. For sure here, link to their Telegram group. So you can join them and share some views, some knowledge about Minicake. Here, for example, Twitter link. We will also look later on it. Minicake, first cake yield generation, and buyback token. Simply hold your Minicake and earn cake. We've also added awesome features like order boost and hyper buyback. So that means simply hold your Minicake, you earn cake. So what is that? I mean, this is a money printing machine, right? So let's see what else they are writing. This you can read on your own. I don't want to get you bored on this video. Join our Telegram group. Tokenomics, total supply, automatic cake redistribution 7%. Okay, nice. Buyback and burn 4%, added to liquidity 1%, and marketing. Of course, we need marketing. You can have the best product. If no one knows about it, no one can buy it, right? So we have 14% tax, 7% is used to purchase cake, which is automatically paid out in dividends to holders automatically. This is a nice thing. 6% is split between buyback mechanism and team marketing fund. Marketing fund, which is 2%, can be used in extreme circumstance to correct market volatility. That means the big whales who go in and take their money when they have enough profits, right? We are all afraid of these situations. Liquidity locked 70%. Unlock date 6 months after. Okay. Total supply a quadrillion. Minicake here again. The same thing they are writing up. Okay, roadmap. Can we see right now something about roadmap? Yes. Phase 1, website launch, building a strong community, pre-sale on DEX sale, listing on PancakeSwap. This is already done. Update logo. PancakeSwap at 2,500 holders. This is their first target. Marketing on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and more. Yes. First audit. Don't forget here Instagram, because Instagram are also many blockchain freaks. Okay. Growth phase 2. First audit. Create our own YouTube channel, marketing on YouTube, staking and farming on V2 version 2 on PancakeSwap. Expand exchange listing, second audit, marketing with big influencers. Of course, you need that. Run a big meme content, reach 20,000 holders, and I think you will reach it if this goes fast as now. Here you can contact even admin at minicake.io. So, what we can say right now is not much because it's fresh. You cannot say much about a project when it's fresh on the market, right? But it looks good. It have a nice name. It have nice features here with simply hold your Minicake and earn cake. I didn't saw this on much others, if it is on even on others. We have here, let's look on Twitter. We have here 88,000 followers. That's nice. That's healthy. The more followers you have, the more you can spread it on Twitter. And we have here 9,200 members. And from this 2,300 online. So that's more than healthy, because We see here a lot of 30,000 members, and then are just I don't know, 1,200 online. Seems to be a fake then, right? But here it looks healthy. So let's have a but let's have a look on the chart. What does the chart say? Woo, right now. Okay. So it was up until 82. And now it drops down for sure. This is how people call it, paper hands, right? The paper hands need some quick cash to pay their bills. But the people who invest and look on midterm, they can make here a lot of profit, I think. So Minicake have a big potential to be in the top 30s. Why not? So why not, right? But I think this is just the beginning. You can see it here. It starts yesterday. Then for sure, first sellers come and sell. Another up and down, and then the big boom. It comes here on coin market, on CoinGecko, and then for sure everyone see it. It's new. Let's go into it, right? Now the first sellers come. It's okay, but then the half of the globe wake up later again, and then they see it also. And what they are doing, right, they throw all their money inside because they think it's a big potential. It's a big profit gainer here. And I think just simply hold the Minicake. You already earn money without that chart go here up or down, right? Without something happen. And of course, you earn money on transactions, right? So what do you think about this project? What do you think? Is it a hit or a shit coin? I think it's a totally burner. It's a hit. It will go up. It can 100x or maybe 1000x. It can hit the first 30, top 30 on CoinGecko. Why not? So give it a chance. Don't throw all your money inside, right? Always be careful when you invest. But I think this thing here have a huge potential to grow up very, very fast if they stay in touch with their community, right? So if you like that video, please leave me a like. Subscribe is most important to go forward with this channel, to provide you every day some new, fresh coins which are listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. And let's go forward and make some profits, right? See you later, guys. Bye.